Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Lavington. To be specific, we are in Gatundu Road. Gatundu Road is one of the prime locations and it hosts one of the best home apartments that you can get in Nairobi. By now, I know most of you are asking, Mungai Kihara, is this another of your video that we are not going to see your face? Absolutely. I am working on my skincare routine and I'm very sure none of you will notice it when I upload the next video. Let's get started. This 3-bedroom apartment is located in a block of 3 and 4-bedroom apartments, and the 3-bedroom apartments have a print area of 133 square meters each. The print area of the 4-bedroom apartments is 155 square meters, and the prices start from 17 million for the 3-bedroom apartments and 20 million for the 4-bedroom apartments. This apartment block comes with a swimming pool, a kids play area, a clubhouse, and a dedicated car parking. Gatundu Road is exactly 5.7 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, and in this locality, you have all the social amenities that you may require. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the living room of this home, and as you can see, this is approximately 50 meters squared, and it joins with the dining area on the other side. This living room comes with a very bright center light, and this center light changes colors depending on the mood that you are in. On the far front, this living room opens to a balcony that faces the second phase of this apartment block. The balcony is big enough for a mini gazebo, a hammock, or a space for your meditation in the evening just after work. Back to the living room, as you can see, the living room comes with a wooden parquet floor and the color schemes are very well done. As I said, on the other side, the living room joins with the dining area, and as you can see, this space is big enough to fit a dining set of about 6 to 8 people. The dining area also comes with a very nice center light, a smaller one compared to the one that we found in the living room, and you have an extra light for more vibrancy. Before I take you to the kitchen, as you can see, the dining area is separated from the kitchen by this opening. But what surprises me is the curtain rod above that opening. That means that the dining area and the kitchen can be separated by a curtain for more privacy. It's an interesting feature. I've never seen it somewhere else. The kitchen of this unit is fairly big, and it comes with all the storage on one side, and the other side is left for you if you have anything else to add. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and as you can see, they are all finished in wood. The kitchen also comes with grey granite countertops, a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet, and above it you have some extra storage. The two countertops are separated by a porch which is set to host a space for your gas cooker. This space is big enough for a 5 or a 6 burner cooker. On the far end, this kitchen opens to a balcony, but it's slightly smaller than the one that we found in the living room. The kitchen also comes with a pantry of an average size, and I believe this space is big enough for all your dry foods. From the dining area, just before you get to the kitchen, there is an opening that leads to the employee quarters. These employee quarters can also be accessed from outside. The employee quarters is of an average size, but based on the length of these employee quarters, trust me, you cannot have a taller employee. So the shorter ones, please raise your hands because this is your chance. On the other side of the employee quarters, this room comes with its closet, and the closet is fairly big for any employee. Proceeding from the closet, this employee quarters comes with its own bathroom, and the bathroom is big enough to host a water closet on one side and a showering area on the other side. Moving on swiftly, we will jump direct to the first bedroom, which can be used as the first kids bedroom or the guest bedroom. As you can see from there, this bedroom has a perfect shape that makes it very easy when you are setting it up. On the other side of the bedroom, you have its closet, and the closet is big enough for all your guests or maybe for your small kids. The bedroom comes with one window that faces the rear side of this apartment block. This bedroom does not come with its own bathroom, and it shares the common bathroom with the rest of the unit. Just before we exit this bedroom, you can see that the bedroom comes with side lights, a very good center light, and a very well done color scheme. That shows that the quality of this house is not compromised in all levels. The common bathroom, or the shared bathroom in this case, is of a standard size, and it comes with a wash basin, a water closet on the other side, and a shower cubicle. This bathroom has been made to standard and it's big enough to accommodate all your comforts. From here, I'll take you to the second bedroom, and this bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom. This bedroom comes with its own bathroom, and as you can see, the bedroom also adopts a very good workmanship, a bigger window, and an alcove. On the other side of the room, this bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet with very good partitioning and very good spaces for all your foldable and hangable clothes. On the lower sections, you have spaces for your shoes. This bedroom faces the front side of this apartment block, and from here you get very good views. The bathroom to this bedroom looks similar to the one that I showed you earlier. The only difference is that this one is slightly smaller, and it comes with a concave convex mirror that magnifies or shrinks all the spaces that you would like to focus on. From here, I'll take you directly to the primary bedroom, and this is the biggest bedroom in this unit. This bedroom comes with very well crafted walls, and also it comes with a balcony. The opening to the balcony also acts as the window of this bedroom. The balcony is of an average size, but it's big enough for you and your partner to enjoy the morning or the evening sun. Directly opposite to the balcony, we have the closet of this bedroom. The closet is fairly big, not very big for two people, but I think if well squeezed or well arranged, this will be enough for you and your partner. On the opposite side of the bedroom, you have the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest compared to the other two bathrooms that I showed you earlier. This bathroom comes with a showering area which has a rain shower and a handheld, but on the far end, it also comes with a bathtub. On the other side of the bathroom, you have a vanity setup and a water closet. You also have a very big mirror. This bathroom is very well equipped, and the only discouraging thing about it is the size of the window. I feel it's slightly smaller than you may require. That's all for this unit, and I'll see you in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Also, you can share it with your friends and family. See ya!
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.